is a good look. Big
Pass be my passing up. Can't see you keep up. Passing the mark, X-Parking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video, guys. So right now we're on the 95 right now. Just getting off work, you know, the usual. I think we got a MCLAREN right here. Got the dude right there in the 720. I don't know what he tried to do, if he tried to switch over or not. Trying to see if we could catch some fun runs in. And make sure y'all go watch the last video I dropped. And also, probably in the next couple of videos or so, I'm gonna have a video drop on the fuel pump relay kit. So if y'all got like an aftermarket fuel pump, like a Walbro 450 or a Walbro 525, I'm gonna do a video for the F10 535s or the F11 640s or something like that. So I'm gonna do the video for the fuel pump relay kit. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe and watch the full video. I guess the dude right here want to do a pull, because I see him trying to pull up beside me. So let's see. Oh shit! Damn, bro! Shit! Huh? So we just run the M340, but I'm using one hand. But I'm only using one hand right now. I think that's a 540. I think the M340 went around the 540. That was a good ass run, guys. I had to like hold the camera with one hand and like try to shift and try to keep the car steady with one hand. So yeah, but definitely was a good run. I guess I'll catch him another time. But if y'all like the content, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so y'all could get the drops early. So stay tuned for more content and peace. I'll catch you guys in the next one.